Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. In this special occasion, I would like to present my research about students' challenge in joining organization during COVID-19 pandemic. In here, I'm using BEM Principal UMY as the case study. In the university, students are more learning about theoretical things in the class rather than practical things. That's why the lectures and seniors usually persuade us to learn more practical things by joining the organization. The reason is when people are joining the organization, there are lots of activities which is consist of practical things such as creating events, discussions, and many more things that we can do. However, in this situation, there is a problem that hindered the university student to running the organization activities. And the problem is the emergence of COVID-19 pandemic, which made students unable to do face-to-face interactions and activities. So in this research, I have two research questions to understand about the main challenge in joining the organization during COVID-19 pandemic. So the first question is, what are the main challenge in the organization of BEM Physical UMY activities during COVID-19 pandemic? And then the second one is, how do students face those challenges in conducting activities in online base? So we are going to the literature review. The literature review is divided into two. The first one is theoretical framework, and then the second one is empirical review. So for the theoretical framework, it is divided into 3 points. The first one is the definition of organization. So organization is a group of people who have the same goal, which work within a structured, organized, and open system. How organization works? It operates with a structure and system. Therefore, discipline and responsibility is needed in running the organization. And the third point is about the problems in organization, which is social restriction about COVID-19. Currently, Indonesian government implementing the large-scale social distancing regulation to stop the virus spread. Because of this regulation, students are unable to conduct face-to-face activities because people need to stay at home, and when they are want to create an event, they cannot create event for many people. And for the empirical review, I didn't find many research that talking about college organization, but I found these two journals that talking about the benefits of organization. So the first one is from Kimberly Hines in 2019. Based on her journal, she explained about the benefits and role of students in the organization that will have a huge impact on the future career of students. And then the second one is John D. and Lauren Yu in 2006. They are creating a research about involvement in clubs and organizations has been shown to be positively correlated with several areas of psychosocial development. So based on these two journals, we understand that the organization have a huge impact, especially for us as students, to develop our future career. And next is the method and instruments. So the method that I use for this research is qualitative. I had interviewed several of BEM Physical MA members to be asked about the challenge and how they overcome the organization during the pandemic situation. Here I have several criteria to participate in my research. So the first one, he or she should be BEM Physical MA members for the period 2019 to 2020. And the second one is they have to actively participate in their division as a member of BEM Physical MBA. I have 5 respondents from each divisions in BEM Physical MBA. So the first one is from Social Community Division. The second one is from Cooperation Network or Public Relations Division. And the third one is from Strategic Studies and Advocacy Division. The fourth one is from Art, Culture, and Sport Division. And then the fifth one is Communication and Information Division. I had asked them 6 questions of each respondent that talking about the challenge and how to overcome the organization during the pandemic situation. Here, I would like to explain a little bit more detail about each question that I raised. So the first question, is there any difficulty in BEM-FISIPO and the recruitment process? So there are several answers. The first one is responding 1, 4, and 5 stated that there are no significant difficulties in the recruitment stage of BEM-FISIPO ME. Respondent 2 stated that the most difficult part is during the interview and forum group discussion because the question that raised by the committee is testing the participant mental and they need to be critical while answering the questions. And then the third response is from the respondent 3. He stated that the recruitment process of BEM-FISIPO ME are more extensive, selective, and stringent than in high school. So based on this response, we understand that there are significant difference between the organization in the university, especially BEM-FISIPO ME, and the organization during the high school. So there is a big gap between those organizations. And then the second question is that what obstacles did you and your division members face when carrying out the division program activity? Overall, the participants stated that the pandemic is becoming one of the most difficult challenges in running the organization. However, there are also specific response. For example, the respondent 2 stated that their division main challenge is they face a lack of participants when they creating an event. The respondent 4 stated that prior to the pandemic, their main challenge were time and funding. And then the other response from respondent 5 stated that the challenge that his division faced is in terms of branding because it's about the communication and information division. For the third question, when everything had to be done online, what activities did you and your division develop to run the BEM-FISIPO ME events and program? So here, there are lots of response because all those 5 members are from different divisions. So let's see their response. For the respondent 1, she stated that they convert their seminars into webinars and cancel the blood donation event. The respondent 2 stated that they are transforming their alumni visitation program, which is have to be offline, but because of the pandemic situation, they convert it into the online-based event. And the respondent 3 stated that they organize webinars and online discussion, but their main focus is propaganda agitation. So propaganda agitation is like creating posters that will be uploaded into the social media. And then the respondent 4 said they are transforming a sport competition into a talk show with the athletes and make a traditional dance tutorial video. And then the respondent 5, he stated that his division created the online bulletins. The fourth question is, how did you and your division members cope with the difficulties in running the organization's online activities? So here, respondent 3 and 5 stated that communication with members of the division is necessary in order to solve the problems. Respondent 1 stated that converting offline event into online-based event is the best way to go because of the situation. Respondent 2 stated that they solve their problems by consulting with the organization executive board. Respondent 5 stated that internal divisional communication is required to solve the problem. So basically, in this fourth question, the respondents are stated that communication is the best way to solve the problems.
The fifth question is,
how do you and your division members collaborate to ensure the event success? So there are various responses towards this question. The first one is from respondent 4 and 5. They are stating that supporting each other within the division while working was the best way to ensure the event success. The respondent 1 stated that management skills are required among the members due to the different time zone that each member has. So because of the corona pandemic situation, students are back to their hometown, which has different time zones. So in running the organization, members need to develop their management skills so that the event could still be run. The respondent 2 stated that discussion within the division is necessary to track the progress of each individual. The respondent 3 stated that it is critical for their member to develop positive relationship with student movements, internal campus organizations, and students in general. The sixth question, what are the most important aspects of running an organization on an online platform? So respondent 2, 4, and 5 stated that communication among division members is the most important aspect. Respondent 3 and 4 stated in addition to communication, innovation and creativity are required, while respondent 1 stated that there are three elements are required to run an online organization. The first one is patience, the second one is commitment, and the third one is adaptation. In the discussion, we are trying to find out the answer for the research question. So the first research question, which is asking about what are the main challenge of the organization, had been answered by the answer from the respondents. So the main problem in conducting the organization's online event is lack of planning. Besides of lack planning, another factors is like lack of participants, poor time management, and the ability to create branding awareness through online media. And then to answer the research question number 2, which is how the member overcome the situation. So all respondents agreed that communication is the key to solve the problem, especially
they were in
different location, different time zones, and many other obstacles that had faced to running the organization. So communication between members is really needed to ensure the success of the event that had been created by them. And another important element in solving the problem is that every member needs creativity, commitment, and adaptability skills in running the organization. Actually, for these elements, it is not only for those who are running the organization in online-based situation. However, when people are conducting the organization, it is the main element that every member should need to have. So for the conclusion, I created 4 points. So the first one is it was proven that the pandemic becoming the main challenge in running the organization. As we know that because of the regulations and then the inability people to have face-to-face interaction is becoming the major factor of the problems in running the organization. And then the second point is to solve the problem, the members need to create good plan with creativity and good communication between members. For the third point, this study will make readers understand about the illustration in running the organization in general. So basically, what are the main focus on this research is to understand about the atmosphere of organization. So when readers are reading about this research, they would understand about the situation when they are becoming the member of the organization, not only in the pandemic situation, but also in normal situation in the future. And the fourth one is I have the suggestion for the future research. Please narrow down the research question and its instrument to be a specific event that the organization has faced so that people will understand about each phenomenon that happen in organization. Since basically this research is only concerned about the organization in general and also the pandemic situation that the member of organization had faced. That's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.